To clean a shower head, first disconnect the shower head from the shower. Either press the button on the side or front of the shower head to take it out of the supply line, or use a wrench to unscrew the nut at the base of the shower head to remove it. Then, fill a large bowl with white vinegar and submerge your shower head in it. Let the shower head soak for at least 12 hours to remove any grime. Next, take the shower head out of the vinegar and rinse it under cool water before reattaching it to your shower. If your shower head can't be disconnected, fill an airtight plastic bag with white vinegar. Slide the opening of the bag over the shower head so that the shower head is fully submerged. Tie the top of the bag to the shower head with a rubber band or duct tape, then let it soak for 12 hours. Finally, remove the plastic bag and pour a few cups of water over the shower head while running it to rinse it off.